Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on uh, live notifications from accounts you follow on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here, click on settings and privacy, click on notifications, and here you will find live notifications. Click on it, and here as you see, just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on live notifications from accounts you follow on TikTok on your account. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.